Wow! The crane at the train station is unloading containers. It's so nice! Oh no! One container isn't secure. It fell! Oh my god! Hey! Little truck is here to pick up the goods. Okay. Let's go! Rescue team, come help with the cargo. Hello. Big crane lifts the blue container.
Uh-oh!
It has farm fences. Oh my god!
Fork truck.
It's my time! Hey! Okay. Okay.
Dump truck.
Let's go! Let's put the fences in the garden. Very nice. Good job. I like it. Woo! Hey! What is this? Next, the yellow container. It has basketball hoops.
Oh no!
Not what little truck needs. It's my time! It's so nice!
Excavator.
Okay.
Crane truck. Mixer truck.
Good job! The rescue team puts the hoops on the court. Finally, the green container. Wow! It has the tires little truck needs. Come here. Let's go! Forklift takes the tires to the repair shop. Nice!
Garbage truck.
Good job! It's amazing! Little truck is so happy with new tires for the garbage truck. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.